Today I'm making bunker handles for a Case steam engine, and I'm starting with 5/8 round steel, which is a little bit small for the bosses on each end, so I need to start by upsetting it. Upsetting is when you squish the steel down on itself to make a bigger diameter, and I do that here in the vise with a jig and a 13-pound sledgehammer. I then take a hand hammer and chamfer the edges on this so that when I flatten down this mushroom, I get more of a round shape. I was making a batch of 10 of these, and so as I take one out of the fire, I put another one in to keep my little assembly line moving. After flattening down the mushroom-shaped area, I use a pair of dividers to make sure my measurements are within spec, and then with a little bit of tinkering with the hand hammer, these are pretty close to the original forgings. In order to bend the handles in the right place, I used the vise, and it was interesting to see the marks left by the vise jaws match the marks on the original handle, which probably means they used a similar process. I have a steel workbench with a 1-inch thick top, which works great as an anvil to make sure these are straight and not twisted. I decided to drill the holes in the bosses instead of hot punching them, which would seem more authentic, but I think the originals were punched cold with an iron worker. A little bit of heat gets rid of the shininess and they look pretty authentic.